I need somebody who can love me at my worst. Oh, I'm not perfect, but I hope you see my worth. Cause it's only you, nobody.
Good morning, guys. So it is our checkout today here in New World Hotel. Last night, I know I've made a video last night. So last night we went to SM, Greenbelt, went shopping to Zara, and then we found a carpet. It's a runner at Glorietta. It's made to order, so they will deliver it on our house by Friday. It costs 5,000 something or 6,000 something, and now I'm just waiting for my Bebo, and it's the first time we're gonna have a breakfast upstairs. Oh no, just here. I mean, the lounge. And last night here, it's like just last night. It was yesterday. How many times the power went out yesterday until last night? It keeps on and off because they said they changed the power source from Meralco to Jensen or something like that. That's why. So today, let's look at the view. That's our view for today. And later, we're gonna transfer over there at Fairmont. But the checkout is 2 p.m. I think, so we're gonna hang out for 2 hours, walk around in the mall again, and mall is empty. Gray. Going for breakfast. My purpose in the choo-choos. Yeah, just like I already opened one. We're ready. And breakfast time. And checkout time too. Morning. I saw this. Do you want over there on the round one? Okay. Morning. Oh, we didn't bring our... Where do you want to see? I said we didn't bring the...
There's some coffee or tea?
Yeah, coffee, please.
Black coffee or cappuccino coffee?
What do you want? Black coffee?
Americano.
Americano.
Yeah.
Same?
Yes.
We'll give you the
Thank
menu
you.
for the a la carte.
Okay.
Please help me.
Thank you. What they got? A bunch of breads. Look at that. What's that? Salmon? Salami from last night. They got beef tapa, garlic salad, rice, pancit, guisado, and chip. Oh, pancit. Pancit. Oh, I want that. Garlic rice. Yeah. Garlic rice. Beef tapa. Oh, the tapa, the one that I always like. That one. See that? Hey, they got taho. I thought it's taho. The one. Yeah, I'm gonna. Breads, desserts. fruits and say what?
So I'm not hungry.
Oh, ganun. Pancit and tapa, egg and bacon. Bebo got the same. These pupitos and the corazon juice. And that's our view. And look how crispy the bacon is. Oh, there's elevator. Auto pay station. Oh, there's nothing.
Oh, right there.
Oh, this machine accepts coins and changes dispense in 200, 100, 500. They don't have that before. Just check out. And we're trying to find our, not the almost one. We walk a few stairs. We don't remember where we parked.
Get out this door.
That's it, this one. Let's see. Can you see it? I can see it. It's over there. At the very, very next to the blue one, right? There's no sounds anymore, like. Oh yeah. There's still? It's too loud last time, right? So you want to spray it still? Like from where? Yeah, it's clicking, right? It's good now.
Something's not right.
I know.
It's like it's not firing. You're gonna have to stop something and get it fixed. Let's get out of the top. Just is not gonna open for it.
It said on the map when I check it says 12 minutes. So if there's yeah,
Because of traffic?
I guess yeah. It always compute the traffic. So we're waiting for home service auto mechanic because our car is not running right. Oh, Batman again! He's there. The Batman is back. I think he's really doing it. So what I was saying, we're waiting for a mechanic because our car is not running right. It's not idling right. So good thing there is like a home service mechanic here in Makati. Now we're waiting for them. Hopefully it's easy fixed. We'll see. And the orchids over there, they are very expensive. The orchids cost 5,000 pesos. The plants. Batman is lost. Oops.
Parang paldo. Ay, hindi.
Oo, parang gano'n, parang ano.
Start.
Baby, can you start it?
Open the hood, start.
Okay.
Which one, where's the port? Is it on the hood or under the... Kasi...
Andito ata, under. Yeah, open baby the... No, not yet. Oh, there you go. Kuya, start? Not yet. No.
It's either in the hood, mga lumang models like this, or under the...
Baby, where they plug the computer?
OBD, this one.
Nakita mo kuya?
Oh, perfect.
Okay.
Kala ko medyo lumang.
Teka kuya, merong sa ano? No, it started. Ay, okay. Please, it's just spark plug. A sensor.
No sensor.
Yeah, I know. It's so sensitive, Grace. Start it, kuya.
Sige ba?
Baby, start the car.
Sige, start the car. Ano meron? Walang tubig? Overheat.
There's no water.
What? No water. No wonder it's hot because there's no water. Because I was like, analyzing what you just said, like why is it like heating it up and then it doesn't work. It doesn't have water.
Where'd all the water go?
I don't know.
What do you want?
Are you
Or low, maybe.
You tell me. I don't know. Where's the water? Stop.
Okay, stop it.
Stop it first because it's gonna get heat.
sinasabi mo, ma'am, overheat ka.
Ikaw ba yung kausap ko kanina? Ay, hindi.
Ako yun.
Ay, ikaw? Yung parang
What if the sensor?
sa sensor kuya daw, anong sabi?
Sasabi daw, di naman daw umiinit yung sa dashboard. Yung temperature. This is the technician, tech guy. What year model is this? Is it like a
S80 2009.
We used to own a 2003, like first gen. Try mo. Pinedal.
What popped up on there? Nothing?
There, it's waiting. It's still loading. Yeah.
Well, that's why I got hot.
Yeah.
Shit. I don't know why that would go.
Start over.
Mumula year ko na.
Pero turn off the aircon.
Don't, yeah, turn off the aircon.
Lapit na siya.
Hindi kung tuloy-tuloy pa kami nag-drive, mag-overheat na yung car.
Pag na-overheat yung car na yan, ako, mahirap. Lalo na po sa...
I can tell now because it was so loud. First. Yeah. Yeah, that's it, right? Yeah, it's like, and it gets louder when you're...
Minute yan. Lalaka.
Yeah, it's like when it gets hot, it's gonna get louder.
Marking's very strong.
What's that sound? Is it seatbelt? Ay, kuya, but you don't have seatbelt.
Yeah.
That's annoying.
Ano pa yung story yan eh? The story of the abandoned churches. Yeah, those are abandoned.
Where?
You know?
Here.
Yeah.
Oh, why?
Pogo.
Oh shit.
Yeah, that's
The online.
yeah. It used
the casino.
Used to be owned by a Pogo boss, and now it's he got
Wow.
deported. It was
So
like,
they're just gonna leave it there?
yeah, the hotel. Kasi sabi ng police, wag. That's the.
Oh, there's no more ate here, baby.
Can't see. Sorry. It's so cramped. Because you know back in the 60s, like they used to have smaller cars.
Okay, there's still a sign. Oh, baby, maybe the brake, you know, they always have, you need to pull it.
I already took it out.
Okay.
You didn't push the brake, did you?
I didn't push the brake. It's not the brake, it's the ABS.
Hi, thank you.
I pulled it out.
Well, if it keeps going,
You
it's
just,
stuck sometimes.
It gets stuck.
But I didn't push the brake down, so let's see.
yeah, because it keeps, sounds, yeah, it's okay. When you're driving, pag ano pala, pag nagtunog
Yeah.
niya.
Oh, no, it's good. Should
Okay.
it's good. You should. No, it's still on. No, you gotta pull on.
We're good?
Please. Alright. I used to get stuck. There you go, miss.
Thank you.
Should the slide work?
Yeah, and there's a police in the middle. On the sides, I saw him.
Oh.
I don't think it works.
His belt snapped, and then like the thing.
I think that belt's brand new.
Yeah, yeah.
The dealership changed it. Didn't it?
Yeah.
Little medium.
Usually, Volvo takes if you take it for like a year or two, it's usually the best.
Oh gosh, but only since we came here, I never heard that before.
Yeah, there's no noise
Maybe 'cause
when
you
we're
got-
driving, yeah. But when we park, yeah.
Only when you're like at a stop sign.
Yeah.
That's our
Uh-huh.
Ah, crap,
Ah.
we're full. That's our shop right there.
Oh, that Marn and Nor. Wow.
Yeah, we're kind of full. The van is ours. The car is ours. Hello, Dad. Ito si
Like your car, same.
Oh.
Yeah, I can hear the noise.
Ay, ito yung maingay na sinasabi nila. Like, kasi pinatay namin aircon kasi medyo nag-iinit daw siya. That's yung Volvo. Oh, that's yung Volvo. That's my
Kaya ano yung sound na yan?
Yes.
Okay.
Nang lumabas doon sa ano,
Wala nang sulat eh. Ano lang talaga eh. Pinit lang talaga. Masulat lang yung immobilizer. Saka yung
Now look at that. It's
Yeah,
loud when you
backward.
open it, huh?
sabi daw pinalitan daw yung compressor. Check nila lang kung yun yun.
What is that noise?
Rear compressor.
And they said there's no water, right?
Yeah, that's so loud. Di ba yung gun niya? Then check mo na sa mechanic.
when service ano, shop to fix this one.
Long time ago na yun, kuya, sa Volvo.
Sa Volvo mismo.
Pero ano pa yun? COVID time, before si COVID? Matagal na yun?
Yung problem niya ngayon is ano, alternator.
Alternator?
That's where the noise is?
Yeah, that's the noise itself. Because You see the crankshaft pulley inside, that's a new. And then your compressor also, that's the new.
Yeah.
Ito, ang sa ibabaw mo ang problema. Ayan, oh.
Yeah,
The top one is the problem, it
belts
says.
new too, because Hitachi dealership changed something in here for the AC.
For the air condition. This is a condenser, sir.
Okay, they did that. I think they changed the belt too.
I think so. That's what I remember
That's
too.
not the belt, sir.
That one.
Yeah. This one?
Yeah, that's so. You think that noise is from the alternator?
Yeah. Alternator, this one, sir.
Maybe that's why it goes sometimes, right?
No, sir. That's the same problem. Not the same problem, sir.
That's,
Maybe alternator
hot.
first, and then
It's low on water. You should probably turn it.
I see water.
no, that's not an overheat, sir. The problem, sir, is electrical charging. That's why your engine is something wrong.
Why is it so hot? It's not. That's normal.
No, normal that one there, because sometimes your air conditioning, if it's not reached for the heating, your fan is going fast. Only low now. See?
Well, we have it off.
Yes. Lakas oh.
Yeah, it's getting loud nga po pag ano. I said it's loud. I said it's getting louder.
So that's the only thing wrong is the alternator.
Yes, alternator, sir. Maybe you can change that one, and then your engine is going.
Runs smooth?
Yes.
So they was doing the charging was not.
The electrical, sir, is not enough.
Yeah.
That's why electrical.
So you can fix it today, kuya?
No.
When?
Hindi, kasi if you take out the alternator, maybe tomorrow, because now Sunday.
Yeah.
Gonna rebuild it for it.
No, sir. Only new one. That's you did not rebuild that one because that one is 110 amperes.
So you have a new one?
Yeah, meron.
Or they have a new
Meron naman. Kasi
Meron?
kami Volvo, pasok ka mo ang gear. It's
they're
only one.
connected? Ah.
That's. Is there anything else wrong with it?
Sorry, sir.
Anything else wrong?
No, we need to change first your alternator charging before we check everything.
Yeah, I said they need to
This is
change. Yeah.
because this is the main problem. I cannot tell you what's problem, anything or what. Main problem first.
They said we didn't have no liquid in there, but I could see it.
Maybe
Yeah.
we can change this
Because
one.
it's dark. Maybe that's why they can
I mean,
see
I can
us.
see it's
Yeah.
full. Maybe it's not. Maybe it's water only.
Maybe. Better coolant there.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So no worry about that. We can flush and then we change the coolant.
Oh. So what we gonna do now?
Now we're gonna leave it.
Do you see, where's your place now?
Oh, we're at a hotel too.
Nasa hotel kami naka-stay.
Yes, ah.
So, sa New World.
New World.
Pero mamaya,
No,
mag-check out na
we're
kami
going
sa
to the
Fairmont kami
Fairmont.
ngayon. Mag-check in kami sa Fairmont ngayon.
Fairmont.
Yeah. Katabi lang, halos katabi lang.
Sa Fairmont daw sila. Sa Fairmont, si Australiano.
Australiano.
So you can fix it today, tomorrow?
Tomorrow afternoon and then maybe 5 o'clock.
5
7
o'clock?
We can deliver to you.
Oh, 7 p.m. So that means we need to extend then.
We'll just stay one more night.
One more night to make sure.
To make sure
Okay.
this day.
Yeah, we'll just stay
Yeah.
one night.
Kasi one day lang ang ano namin, binook namin sa Fairmont eh.
Yeah, wait sir. I'll give you estimate
Okay.
first.
Yeah, please. May senior discount. Turn it off na. The what?
My bag, right?
Oh yeah, here. What else you need to get here?
What's the difference?
34?
It's just. Why is it so hot on you? That's the
Paano pag gabi? Kikip niyo yung car sa loob?
Hindi lahat. Kung ano lang yun nasa loob, yun
Ah.
lang yung kikip. That's the reason why this is just the weekend. We're already full. And then, if it's like the weekday, like I said, meron na kaming kabilang garage, puno rin eh. Meron kami dun sa Circuit Mall, Ayala Malls.
Oh yeah, oo.
That's also our parking. We rented 3, but we're still full. Good thing you went on a Sunday, because if it's on a weekday, we're probably gonna line up all the way there.
We should have did it yesterday.
I know, right?
I mean,
I
we've been
know.
here since Friday.
Yeah. Because we thought it's when we're not using it for the whole day, so I thought it's gonna be okay. You said you're just gonna spray it and it will be fine. But it get worse. It get worse.
No, it's not that bad.
I know, but the sounds, Martin. It's like it's whistling.
And there's water in it. I thought it was like,
Maybe because it's dark in
maybe
there.
it's just water.
Oh, I see. Uh-huh.
It should have a tip.
Yeah. Okay.
Evening cards, sir.
Binigyan ko silang card pati yung hotel.
Binigyan mo ko ng card?
Sir,
Saan ko nilagay?
This is a first problem, sir. The main problem
Ah, ito.
first,
Okay,
because
okay.
we need
Ito.
to check the charging first, and then we check everything.
Yeah, check the antifreeze for it.
Yeah, sure.
Make sure it has antifreeze.
Yes, yes,
What do you have, a little dipstick that checks the chemical
For what, sir?
to see how much antifreeze versus water?
Oh, yeah, sir. Because we change your coolant, sir. We change coolant, not water. Don't put nawasa ma'am. Depende. Distilled, okay.
Don't put tap water. You need to, yeah, I know.
never touched it. The
I know,
dealership,
that's why.
That was a long time ago.
Yeah, that was a long time
years
ago.
Okay.
Right.
Oh my.
Sir, your alternator brand new, sir, is 68,500. 68,000. And then your bearing, sir, for the tension, that's 3,500. And
Oh,
then
it's
your labor, sir,
expensive.
is 7,500. So 79.
79,000?
Yes.
Well, the alternator's how much?
68,000?
That's $1,000?
Yeah.
That's expensive?
Hindi, original lang yan.
Original?
Hindi pwedeng replacement.
I said it's an original
Kasi
Volvo brand?
Electronic, yes. Electronic type yan.
Wow.
Same like XC90. Same.
Okay, good. American Express here for you?
Sorry.
Nag-accept yung credit card?
Hindi.
Cash lang?
Cash lang. Kasi sa Volvo, hindi tayo na-accept ng
Yeah, you're gonna have to put your account.
hindi tayo na-accept ng credit card.
How about
Okay.
Gcash?
Yeah, sure.
Gcash? Okay, I can pay Gcash with that.
No worries, sir, because this one,
I'll just move
they
the
got,
money.
meron kayong ma'am, meron naman tayong 10% discount. So, yung 68,
Bibigyan mo kami ng discount?
yes, yung 68,000 mo sa Volvo, meron kaming 10%, so we can give you. Okay, so wait.
So, okay, he's gonna less 10%.
Wow, that's great, okay?
I don't know, he said he's gonna less 10%. I thought it's around like 5,000, 10,000.
If you rebuild the car,
Oh, rebuilt it.
yours was a rebuild.
Oh, the Ford?
And I think it still costs $150, $200. Rebuild. Rebuilt yours. This is gonna be brand new.
Are you okay with the price?
Now get it here.
Di bali.
71, ma'am.
Wow.
Kasi nawalan ka ng 7.
Okay. Kailangan pay na lahat?
No, yung 68 ang kailangan.
Oh, so I need to pay the
Yes,
68,000.
68,000 kasi o-orderin nyo now, tomorrow, coming. So we install.
Okay.
Okay.
Siya. Anong gagawin ko, kuya? Pangalan?
Pangalan mo.
Sorry naman. Nai-stress.
No, relax. No stress.
Kuya, may bangko kayo, BPI?
Yeah.
Bank to bank transfer? Okay, better. They have BPI. That's crazy in the world.
BTO meron ka para mabilis.
BDO?
Ah.